In this video, I'm going to be talking about HIIT and LIST training. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training. It involves short bursts of intense exercise alternated with low intensity recovery periods. With HIIT, your heart rate is generally at 80 to 95% of your maximum heart rate for the high intensity intervals. Due to this, a HIIT session is around 20 minutes. Ensure you are thoroughly warmed up and well conditioned to complete the HIIT session. This will prevent injury. Benefits include improving VO2 max, it is time efficient, improving lactate tolerance. HIIT also leads to greater excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, also known as EPOC. This means that after you have finished your exercising, your body will continue to burn calories at a higher rate than normal. A typical HIIT workout structure may include 45 seconds of squat jumps, followed by 15 seconds rest, then moved on to 45 seconds of mountain climbers into 15 seconds rest. This then continues with different exercises until you complete your HIIT workout. LIST training. LIST stands for Low Intensity Steady State Training, a method of cardiovascular exercise in which you do aerobic activity at a low to moderate intensity for a continuous and often extended period. LIST approximately lasts for 40 to 60 minutes. Your heart rate is around 40 to 50% of your max heart rate within this training. Benefits include aiding fat loss, it is accessible and scalable for all fitness levels, it allows for easy recovery, and it can also be used as a great recovery session after a high intensity workout. An example of LIST is most often associated with running, cycling, brisk walking, swimming, and other cardio activities that require longer sessions of low intensity exercise. For maximum benefits and to avoid plateau, try to include HIIT and LIST sessions in your fitness plan.